Hello and welcome to White Knoll High School, where one pack is our motto. We are in Lexington, South Carolina, in Lexington District 1. It's one of the fastest growing school districts in South Carolina, where we're growing over 500 students per year. At White Knoll High School, our mission is to empower all students to be productive global citizens in the 21st century by fostering accountability, lifelong learning, and respect. These are just a few things that White Knoll High School students believe in. We believe that learning is a chief priority. We need a physically and emotionally safe environment to learn, collaboration and trusting, creativity and technology, sincere and positive attitudes that lead to personal and academic success. Individuals are responsible for the choices that they make. Students and community are committed to self-evaluation and continuous improvement. Growth, achievement, and diversity will be embraced at White Knoll High School. White Knoll High School students value school, respect, opportunity, encouragement, integrity, tenacity, involvement, communication, unity where the pack mentality prevails, and diversity. We have just a few things that make us unique. We have the Public Health and Advanced Medical Centers study. We have athletics, we have band, chorus, drama, theater, just to name a few. At White Knoll High School, we have 1,936 students with 131 teachers. We operate on a 5-block schedule. We are a Palmetto Gold Award winner. It's awarded to schools with academic success. Lex Leads is a student leadership opportunity. We offer many opportunities for leadership, whether it be in DECA, HOSA, or in the Center for Public Health and Advanced Medical Studies. Lex Leads Overcoming Obstacles teaches us critical skills that's necessary for college, career, and citizenship. Lex Leads a culture of student success where the students will benefit from an instructional plan that's individual, unique to their goals and to achieve academic success. Lex Lives develops also eating healthy habits, where White Knoll High School has the opportunity to help build, plant, care for, and harvest fresh produce put on by WP Raw, a local business in our community. Community relationships are important. Our ROTC and several different other groups actually march in our Lexington Christmas parade. Our band just took a trip to New York City. Our ROTC put on a Veterans Day parade. Our superintendent and principal participated in Special Olympics, and several of our sports teams offer sports camps for our community. We have a first-class faculty, including our athletic staff, our ROTC staff, our administration staff, guidance and counseling. We have first-class facilities from indoors to outdoors. Our White Knoll athletic teams succeed. These are the athletics that we offer in the fall, winter, and the spring. Our athletic accomplishments that we're very proud of: 2017 softball state runner-ups, 2010 baseball state champions, and 2017 girls golf state champions. We are White Knoll. #1pack. I hope you'll join us.